What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm still stuck at the house where I have to be quarantined for 2 weeks because I came from mainland Japan. So I know some of these videos aren't what y'all are used to seeing. Typically I like to do a lot of car spotting and cars for sales and junkyard stuff like that. Today we're gonna do a little install video. I ordered my Momo steering wheel. It came all the way from Estonia apparently, I don't know why, but my current steering wheel is aftermarket as well. It just doesn't look the part. It's not a bad wheel, I just wanted something a little bit more, I don't know, with a little more flair. Let's check it out. All right. So this is the new wheel. Over here and open it on up. It's really hard to do with one hand. But I have opened it, or I have opened it a few times. Oh shit. Instructions flew away. All right. I've already opened it to make sure it's the right wheel and everything, which it is, so that's good. But little Momo horn button. Let's check this out. God dang it. This is the new wheel. I think it's awesome. The white and black goes, obviously. I'm not sure how I feel about the yellow markers on it. I may take those off or dye them black, or maybe use some like red leather stripping and stitch it together or something. I don't know. Maybe. What do you guys think? Leave it with the yellow, kind of matches the engine bay. Or should I change that to the red or black? But what's cool about this wheel is if you look closely, it's got famous racetracks from all over the world, which I think is awesome. That's really cool. So you can add a little different flair to the car, make the interior seem a little bit more like mine. I'll show you the current setup I have. Oof. There you go. So this is my current wheel. It has the red stitching that matches the seats and the e-brake boot and the shift boot and stuff, but the copper just doesn't really fit in my mind. Doesn't really go with the theme. So I think the white and black is gonna look a lot better here in the interior. Should be a really easy, straightforward swap. I already checked the bolt pattern on it. It's the same as my current wheel, so just pop it off and put the new one on. All right, so luckily I keep some spare tools in here. And all we should need is this Allen key. Take all these out. And it's so hot in here, like I can't get over how hot Japan has been lately. Instantly covered in sweat right away. Really wish I would have brought a drill. This would have made this way easier. Yeah, I really think the white and black is going to go good with my Nismo cluster. I do have the white one, which matches the car. I think the white cluster with the white car goes really well together. I'm not really a fan of white face gauges normally, but on this car, it grew on me. At first I wanted to change it because I think they look really good with the black face gauges, but as of now, I'm gonna keep it, and maybe down the road, possibly if I get sick of it, see if somebody wants to trade for, you know, their black Nismo gauges for my white ones or something. Really should have been using a drill. I don't know what I was thinking. Now's a good time to say it. If you guys already don't follow me on Instagram, you need to. They get all the behind the scenes, and people that follow me get to see mods and things before they're done, or see clips or videos of, or pictures of, you know, car meets or cars that I find for sale. So if you're not following me already on Instagram, you need to check it out. Godzilla_Inna_Tux. I'll put it on the screen right here. Oh no. So I don't know, what should I do with this wheel? Should I maybe have this wheel added to my 2,000 subscriber giveaway? We're approaching that really fast. Thanks to Jason. Give me a couple shout outs. Ah, there we go. The old wheel's out. Old versus, I think it's a pretty solid upgrade. What do you guys think? So this wheel did come with instructions on how to do it. Because I already have an aftermarket hub, I didn't really have to worry about this. It appears to be just a universal one that can fit any steering wheel. There's tons of holes in it. And I already did disconnect the battery, just in case you guys are wondering. I didn't say that. Make sure you always disconnect the battery prior to working with any electricity or any horns or anything like that. You don't want to shock yourself and damage the car or something, you know. All right, so it comes with a plate. Let's see what the instructions say. So you put the horn in, match it up with the adapter on the back. Kind of holds it in place. Make sure it's straight before you put it in there. All right, real quick, let's hook this battery up and make sure the horn works before we move any farther. That is not a good sign.
What?
So, all these instructions are in Italian. I mean, I followed the instructions, I did everything it said to do. All right, so I found the problem. Whenever I hooked up my wire in the back, it came off before I could put it in the car. So now that that's fixed and sorted, we can press forward with this. All right, perfect. So now we got it all aligned. I just need to be very careful installing this wire so it doesn't knock it out of alignment. All right, so now we got all aligned. Let's throw these screws back here in a star pattern again, and we'll be done. So let's try the Horde again now that battery's reconnected to make sure that it works. Oh yeah, music to my ears. I like it. I like it. Alrighty, so new steering wheel's installed. Looking pretty good. Definitely different. The other wheel, like I said before, didn't look bad. Just didn't look quite as good. Oh man, I still can't get over how good this new blade looks on the white. Oh, it's beautiful. What do you guys think? I think like I said before, the white with the white gauges, the theme is just so cool. It's almost like you're driving it. Oof. Solid. I like it a lot. Really do. I'm happy with that. I wasn't sure how I was gonna feel. The yellow doesn't look that bad, honestly. Dang. Also, a quick update. I don't know if you could tell, but my car, when it sat for so long, even though I washed it, it still had like black streaks running down the side of the paint and stuff, especially into the mirrors. But I spent the last day or two polishing everything with that turtle wax. I guess it's like a medium polish, it says, and it really brought the white looking good again. Thankfully, because I was scared. I am probably gonna get the car repainted. So I need you guys to tell me some color choices here. I'm really leaning towards the Le Mans Championship blue, but the white looks really good. I've seen them in red that look really good. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? You gotta let me know, because I'm keeping the black hood for sure, or you know, a carbon fiber hood, something like that. But because I do like how it enables me to be different. But overall, and the new exhaust will be installed ASAP as soon as I get out of my little quarantine where they keep me at my house for 2 weeks since I travel from mainland. But like I said before, what do I need to do with this? Do I need to sell this? Or should I add it in the next giveaway? I mean, is this something that one of you guys might want for your car? I don't know if you don't have an aftermarket steering wheel already, but I don't know, just let me know in the comments. It'd be a free upgrade. So also check out the shirt. If you're new to the channel, I made these shirts for Captain 26 and Your Car Bro when we all went to Nagoya. Had a blast up there. So if you guys would be interested in getting a JDM Legend Hunter shirt, Japanese for hunter, it literally says Hunta in katakana. So let me guys know in the comments. So for those of you that don't know me, or know me personally, this is my oldest son, Tatum. He's 9.
Hi.
This is my youngest, Ryder, who is 5.
Hey.
And they are always dying to be in the videos, so I figured I'd let Tatum do the outro.
If you don't like and subscribe in the next 5 seconds, I will eat all your pizza rolls.
What?
Yes.